So if we look at the strategy then for patenting, one of the first questions to ask is, well, when do I file a patent application? And here we're talking about balancing a number of different factors. One of the key things that we are always at pains to stress to clients is that patents are a commercial asset. And basically they should provide a benefit for your business. And often we're approached by individuals who say, I've got a great idea, I want to get a patent. And we say, well, okay, what is your business scenario for taking this idea forward? I don't have one yet, I just know I want to get a patent. And those people, we really do try hard to say, look, go away, think about this, and then when you've decided how you want to take this business or this commercial concept forwards, then come back and talk to us. And it really does sound like we're talking ourselves out of a job, but really we would be being most unfair if we didn't explain that to those people. Another thing to remember is that patents are a right to stop other people. So basically, you need to think, well, what do I need to put in place that's going to be of advantage to me if I can stop competitors or other companies from doing this? And again, so you need to look outwards, not just at your own business plans and strategies, but also what are your competitors going to do? Just to look at a number of the aspects that need to arise then in order to qualify for the patent box benefits. Again, as Steve mentioned, you have to have a qualifying patent. Clearly a UK patent is going to work. European patents will work as well. You can qualify for the patent box, as Steve mentioned, by licensing in technology. Again, as Steve mentioned, those licensing technology patent rights need to give you some kind of exclusive right with respect to those patents. If we're looking to really maximise what we can get out of the patent box in this kind of strategy, one can envisage filing really quite dedicated, focused patent applications. As I mentioned earlier, the general strategy, if you go to any patent attorney, is to file as broad as you can justify, and generally it's the can I keep a straight face test, and file this at the patent office, and expect to then narrow down in scope when the objections from the examiner come flying in. Now, as I've also explained, that tends to slow down the whole procedure. It certainly raises the cost for the clients, but is generally the strategy approach when you want to maximise your scope of patent protection. Here we're less interested in a pure patent box strategy in scope of protection. We just need a patent, and a patent that we can then have as a qualifying patent relative to one or more of our products. So actually we can devise a different strategy, and actually for us it's quite a new strategy, and that is to go in with a very focused, narrow patent application. Prepare the application with narrow claims, so we're really asking the examiner to say, look, we've got something really very specific here. We believe it's new and inventive, and we only want a very narrow scope of protection. It should be easier for us to establish that that is both new and inventive. It should be easier for the examiner to agree that it's both new and inventive, and hence it should be much quicker to grant.